Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to share a couple more of the diamond paintings that I have completed over the last several weeks. And I have not been working on these a lot since the last time I showed diamond paintings, but I do have some I want to share. And I am working on another one, but I'm going to take my time with that because now I am back to feeling well and paper crafting and doing some beadwork and whatnot. So yeah, but I do have a few I want to share. And I want to share these under the hashtag Dazzling with Diamond Painting 26, which is an open collab hosted by Brenda at Maniac Grammy's Homestead and co-hosted by Alma Ticer 3737, both here on YouTube. And I have been enabled by both Diana Loves Colors and Alma to do diamond paintings. So anyway, here is a small one that I did. It is a Christmas scene, and it actually matches a paper collection that I have, which I thought was pretty cool. It is a little more pixelated than I'd like to have the diamond paintings, but it was fun to do, and it's got very pretty colors. And it says it's a 20 by 20, which equals a 6 by 6, and that is just the diamond painting area. So I did complete that one. And by the way, all of these came from Temu. That's where I've been getting my diamond paintings, unless I specifically say that it came from Look Art. Yeah, sometimes they send me a diamond painting to review, and but none of these are from Look. So this is the lemon one that I finally completed, and this is the one I shared. Oh, I don't know, it's been several weeks ago now. I shared this in a Temu haul, and in that Temu haul I actually did a giveaway of a second one of these that I got for free, and yeah, I've already shipped off the prize to the person, and this is what it looks like completed. I think it's really pretty. I love the yellows and the greens, so pretty. And this one is a 30 by 40, which equals about 10 inches by 13 and a half, or you might say 14. So anyway, this is the completed one, and I love this one. Now, the next one, before I show it to you, I'm going to show you a previous one that I did, because you're going to look at the next one that I'm going to show you, and you're going to go, didn't you already do that one before? Well, I did one that was extremely similar. Okay, so this is the one that I shared a while ago, and I absolutely loved this kitty one. It is so adorable. I just want to rub all over them, okay? The cute little birds up there in the winter scene. So this is one that I did, like I said, a while ago, and I already shared this. This is a 50 by 50, which comes to, let's see, 18 inches. So it comes to 18 by 18, okay? Now, the newest one I did is very similar to this, and it's probably the same company. This is a 40 by 40, and look at this adorable kitty. I love it. And it's got the birds in the birdhouse like this one here, but it is a different birdhouse. And the birds are different birds here. Well, they may be similar birds, but they're in different colors. But look at how cute this kitty is. I just love it. And the beautiful shabby blanket back there with the tones of pink. Oh, so cute. So those are the ones that I have completed of recent date. And like I said, I'm working on another one. And I'm not going to share that one with you today. And like I said, I am using the hashtag Dazzling with Diamond Painting. I think it's either 2026 or 26. I can't remember, but I'll put that in the description box below. And be sure to check out that hashtag and find out all the other wonderful diamond paintings people are working on. So that's what I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed these. I love this one. I think it's my favorite of the three. And this one is super fun. And of course, we have a little bit of Christmas going on there. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the description box down below which one is your favorite. And I'll just catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.